Now, I actually want to show you something a little bit deeper. If we wanted to, here I could do another formula. I could say equals rejects match. Where do you want me to look? I want you to look here. What do you want me to search for? Google Forms, but let me go ahead and lock that in with $. Okay, everything's groovy. The suggested autofill is a lot better. Amazing. You could even be a little bit sneakier though. Check this out. When I locked cell F1, I locked the column and I locked the row. But to be quite frank, everything was happening in column F anyway. I actually didn't need to lock column F. I really just needed to lock the first row. So I'm going to get rid of that first $. I'm going to copy paste this whole thing. None of the values should change when I click paste in 3, 2, 1. None of those values changed at all. But here's what it did allow me to do in this case. With one more little edit, I'm going to be able to do a little bit more copy pasting. I'm going to highlight here again. And when I think about, I want to basically copy paste this formula in here so it will capture Google Sites. So I don't have to type in Google Sites. So I'm going to want in purple, I'm going to want the column to adjust while locking the row. And for this thing in orange, the place to look, I actually think I'm going to want to lock the column, but keep the row dynamic. Interesting. I'm going to copy that, nothing changes. Copy paste it all the way down here. Again, nothing should change. Nothing changes. But what happens now is, if I take this and I copy it, I can actually paste this whole thing all in these slides, and it will look still in this cell, but for Google Sites. Check it out. Whoa. Whoa, no way. Let's click enter on that cell to see where it's drawing from. It's drawing from this cell right here, looking for Google Sites. This is a little bit technical, a little advanced, but a deep dive into how you can strategically use $ to lock a row or a column or both when you're using data and drawing from it as part of a formula. So friends, I hope you found this helpful, and I hope that it might help you.